Yes, g'day guys, it's Brodie from Ox Trailers. Today I thought I'd run you through this tipper trailer. So starting at the front, it's a 4.5 tonne rated trailer. It's got a DO45 coupling, handbrake, jack stand and spare tyre. It's obviously got the 4.5 tonne rated safety chains. Moving on, we've got our Drawbar Toolbox. It's a heavy duty toolbox for straps and tools and any other spare parts. This trailer is equipped with two 50mm Dropsides with a 450 RHS extension on top. This is also removable by simply undoing two bolts. The tray itself is 4.2 by 2.4, is also equipped with 8 1.2 tonne rated tie down points. And we've also got removable spigots. Quite simply and easily undo it through a bolt accessed at the bottom here. So at the rear here, we've got the 2 tonne ramp storage, and we've also got the rated recovery points. So we've also got on this trailer some loading Stabiliser Legs. So these are a great piece of equipment for loading buggies and small machines on. We've also got two 400 Underbody Toolboxes. So there's an aluminium TIG welded toolbox. So this trailer, being a rear tipper trailer, comes with a few additional accessories. So we've got the battery isolator switch here, which you simply just turn to 1+2. That then enables you to activate the tipper. So this being a tipper trailer is equipped with its own hydraulic pump and its own electrical system. So for charging of this system, we provide a 50 amp Anderson plug at the front for connecting to the tow vehicle. Located under the toolbox is some trickle feed positive and negative charging points. This tipper trailer, as with all our tipper trailers, is equipped with a 9 tonne 6-stage hydraulic ram. The hydraulic power pack and the electrical system is housed in the chassis, as you can see here, in a galvanised steel box. This enables you to still have a drawbar toolbox. The suspension option chosen by this customer is the 4.5 tonne rated Simplicity independent load sharing suspension. This is also equipped with a 12-inch electric over hydraulic disc brake. With the disc brakes, this trailer is equipped with an electric over hydraulic actuator, which is situated here at the front for ease of access. The brake fluid flows out of the unit across here and then obviously to the brakes evenly as required, and it's also hooked into your front 7-pin flat trailer plug. So this electric over hydraulic actuator gets its power source from the tipper battery, which is located under this box here. So it's very critical to constantly have this battery either charging or fully charged so that it enables your brakes to work. So just a quick recap. So this is a 4.2 by 2.4 rear tipper trailer, and it's equipped with the following accessories. At the front here, we've got a DO45 coupling. We've also got the Drawbar Toolbox. We've got the 250 Dropsides with the 450 RHS extension. We've also got the Underbody Toolboxes. We've got the rear stabiliser loading legs at the back. We've also got the recovery points at the rear. We've got the Ox 2 tonne ramps and storage. We've got 8 internal tie down points, and we've also got the Simplicity independent load sharing suspension with the disc brakes. So if you're out there and you're looking around and you're serious about your trailers, come and talk to the team, because I'm pretty sure we've got most bases covered.